Hey, so the world is kind of a lot right now, and some things online may seem better than they turn out to be. Fake apps, for example. I've seen a lot about this stuff, trust me. So I decided to help my friends and share a bit more about these apps that claim to add something more to your WhatsApp. You know they aren't real. The real WhatsApp has what the fake apps don't. Multiple layers of protection built in. Sometimes, these apps can look very similar to WhatsApp. And I know, an app that can turn your messages into your fave color is aesthetic, but it's fake. Using these can have serious consequences. Identity fraud, data theft, and not just for you. It can increase the risk of your friends' and family's accounts being controlled and send spams and scams to their contacts too, without their knowledge. So stick to the real thing. Fake apps are not WhatsApp. Oh, and always remember to download the latest version of the app so everything runs securely and smoothly.